Hello everyone, just wanted to share a lemon garlic pepper chicken recipe. First you're going to see me preparing the chicken, then you'll see me season it, and then you'll see me put some sauce on it. I'm going to put it in the refrigerator to marinate for about 3 to 4 hours, and then I will bake it on the top rack of my oven at 375 for about 35 minutes. At the end of this clip, you'll see how juicy and how much moisture and flavor is held in the chicken after that amount of time. I hope you enjoy this recipe at home as well.